Yes.
To get grapes, we have to do the harvesting process. Okay. So now the field is ready to harvest, right? So after 2 days, we will be having the harvesting process. Are you all ready to do the harvesting?
Hello children, good morning. Why did we come to the paddy field? Why are we here? Yes, to harvest. Because as you all see, the plants are now matured. The crop is matured. It became green to yellow now. Golden yellow, right? Can you please touch the golden crops? Okay, shall we harvest?